Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Sital Sharma. I hope you all are doing fine. And it's been a while that I have recorded a new session. Uh, was keeping really busy. And the purpose of today's video is that I really wanted to explain you that why you need to join the test series and at what point of time you should be joining it. Now, let's see. I have students coming up to me joining the test series sometimes, only when the notification is out. So, you need to understand one thing that a mains answer writing is a skill which develops over a period of time. And moreover, in order to finish the syllabus well in time, we actually need time to practice those answers with respect to every subject. So, what I actually do in the mains test series is that if anyone joins, then what I do is I prepare the schedule of that student and I divide the whole subject into different topics depending upon their significance and the kind of weightage they are going to in the mains examination. So, division of the topics, and then there is, revision that is going to happen based on those topics. And later on, I send the test to the students, and they are going to write the answers in whatever manner they feel like. And the most significant part of joining the mains test series is that I evaluate. So I evaluate an individual sheet. So if I'm not liking any particular paragraph, I'm not liking any few sentences, if I don't like the whole answer at all, what I do is I write the answer. I write those paragraphs, I add the quotes in order to enhance the overall answer. So this is what we do in the mains test series. So there is individual evaluation. It's not a class thing. So, I have around 50 plus students enrolled in the test series back. So if it's not a class thing that there is going to be one paper, one model set of answer sheet, which I'm going to evaluate because answer writing is subjective, right? It's not like an MCQs. So every student writes differently. Everyone has their own way of expressing themselves when it comes to an answer writing. So it's a skill which we develop over a period of time. So highlighting this only that it is very important that you join the mains test series well in time. And especially, before the notifications. So this is something that is not to be done after the notification. So, the common query of many of the students is that, they have done their coaching, right? And they are in their, those set of times when they are not very sure that whether they would be joining the practice, they would be continuing with the litigation, and when they are supposed to study. So there is a lot of confusion going on. And moreover, when the notifications are going to be out for Punjab and Haryana or for the different states. So in my opinion, I suggest that the moment you finish your coaching, I mean, you have, made notes with respect to every subject. The next thing which you are supposed to do is, before even revising, is to join the test series. There is one common myth among the students that we need to join the test series after completion of revision. Like they are supposed to revise the first thing, first all the topics, and then they are supposed to join the test series. So, in my opinion, आपको टेस्ट सीरीज उसी टाइम पे ज्वाइन कर लेनी चाहिए जब आपने अपने नोट्स कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं। एक बार आपने लॉ पढ़ लिया है, आपने कोई भी XYZ जगह से कोचिंग ली है, तो वो आपने कंप्लीट करनी है। नाउ यू आर एट द स्टेज ऑफ रिविजन। अब एक्चुअल में यू नीड अ टेस्ट बिकॉज क्या होगा अगर आप खुद से रिविजन करेंगे, यू आर गोइंग टू टेक दैट होल टाइम ऑफ 6-7 months, देन यू आर गोइंग टू ज्वाइन एंड व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड द टॉपिक्स, आई मीन द सब्जेक्ट्स इनटू डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स, फिर आप उसको रिवाइज करेंगे, देन यू गोइंग टू टेक। सो व्हाई नॉट टेक दिस आफ्टर द मोमेंट यू हैव फिनिश्ड विद योर नोट्स एंड उसमें क्या बेटर रहेगा कि जब आप रिविजन करेंगे, व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड द टॉपिक्स फॉर यू, आप साथ में रिवाइज करेंगे एंड देन उसके बाद उन्हीं टॉपिक्स का टेस्ट हुई, तो मतलब रिविजन भी हुई, राइट? आपने आंसर राइटिंग भी प्रैक्टिस की एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली उसकी इवैल्यूएशन भी। तो अल्टीमेटली दोस आंसर्स, they are going to be your notes. So when the main examination is going to be out, you are not supposed to look at all your notes. All that you have to do is those answers, those questions, because you will realize that after a period of time, Your notes have been compiled in the form of the question answer, which is easier to, memorize, which is easier to, you can say, contemplate when you're, writing in the exams. So this way we are going to finish the syllabus. So, the purpose of making this video was a lot many people, they come to me and they ask that what should be the right time of joining the test series. So the right time is when you are starting with your revision. Because even, a teacher needs time to evaluate, a teacher needs time to develop your answer writing skills. So this is not a kind of a medicine that if a teacher is going to give you and then you are going to gulp it and then your answers are going to flow. It's not like that. It develops over a period of time. So better है कि आप इसको timely जो है join करें. And please, just don't keep on waiting that you have 2 years left. अभी तो practice कोई 2 साल है. आप practice जरूर करें. Litigation में जाना चाहते हैं जरूर जाएं. But in case अगर आपका judiciary ही जो है वो main goal है, तो आप practice करें. जो हमारा rule है आप उसको follow करें. And then साथ साथ जो है वो आप अपना revision answer writing के लिए practice जरूर करें. Because after 3 years, जब आप eligible हो जाएंगे, I don't think so you will be in a mood कि जो notification उस time पे जो paper आया आप उसको miss कर देंगे just because आपकी तैयारी नहीं थी. Then another 2 years are going to be wasted. So utilize this period of 3 year practice rule. आप इसमें बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे जब आप हो जाएंगे. Follow every rule, litigation करेगा. And this is definitely going to enhance your judiciary prep as well. तो आप ये जो time period है 3 साल का इसको आप यूटिलाइज करें रिविजन्स में आंसर राइटिंग स्किल प्रैक्टिस में और अपनी लिटिगेशन की दिस विल एक्चुअली हेल्प ओके सो दैट्स ऑल एंड इन केस ऑफ एनी क्वेरी इस वीडियो के अंदर मेरी ईमेल आईडी होगी आप उसके ऊपर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे